Thank you very much again to come in my channel, and today I want to talk about very important things about Bitcoin. As I mention always that my Bitcoin is very in a crucial stage, and if you can see that market already breached the 54,600 points. And as I mentioned before that there are few possibilities that market will crash, but today I will share you where you can open trade for sell. I will not advise, as I'm not financial advisor, but there are things that where you need to be careful whenever you will trade with Bitcoin. So remember one thing that today I will give you a very nice tip that way you can open trade and you can have a good profit. Just be with me and watch the full video so you can understand. So if you were able to see my live stream from last 1 week, this is the chart where I always open daytime, and I can try to share this using my live stream that you can try to understand what is going on with the chart as per the candles. But other than candles, there are few things with China and US also running around, and you also need to know better to use their local newspaper, US local newspaper and China's local newspaper, because both local newspaper will give you a clear picture, not the big analyst and the big YouTubers who will just give you the instruction that market is going 100,000, 200,000 or 500,000, but the market is going against something different, because big YouTubers or big analysts or sitting in Bloomberg or some other investment channels, they will give you the picture that market is going very high, market will go 100k, market will go 250 or $500,000 in Bitcoin. But as per my experience and the education I had and whatever the experience from last 10 to 15 years that I am playing with this trading market, I can understand that market is moving with direction. That's why I share this chart to everyone, that what is going to happen, what I explain here, the 1 2 3, then same 1 2 3 structure, this movement, this movement, this movement, it's already done here, here and here. After this movement start, before it was start like this, but now this time if you can see, it's a sharp drop and it's going down. So it's not really work like this time, but it's giving you a sharp movement towards downward. So even if you can see the from last 5-6 days and from last 3 weeks, I'm keep talking about the Bitcoin crash. I'm talking about what are the possibilities, what the Saxo Bank mentioned, and what other banks are doing it, and why they are taking out their investment from Bitcoins. I'm going to share with you this detail as well, because even if you are able to see my previous Bitcoin crash videos, I explain a lot. If you want to see, I will just share with you some link under this video, so you can visit that videos also and try to understand why I'm talking about the crash. And today is more important because the 54,600 it's already break, and before I mentioned that 59,000 and 60,000 is the crucial point where market might not go up. So same thing happened, market was able to reach almost 60,000, but it was not able to break. So 59,000 to 61,000 is the crucial stage where market is, if it break, possible market will move up, but it was not able to break and reach 53,700 and something. And now the next point, if market will reach like 57,800, there is a chance that market will go up. But if it's not break 57,800, then you will see the between the new crash will start again, and market might be reaching like 50,000, and if it's break the 50,000, you will see drop till 44,000. So 44,000, there are possibilities that might be market have some movement, like you can see here this point from 40,000 to 44,000. So this is there are some important areas here that you can be careful. If market is reaching this point, if it's break for 41,000, then you can need to wait a little bit, and might be market will be, if it's break, then market is going to be 25,000. If it's able to break the 25,000 point, then the 9,000 target will be reached, and might be it will be go less than 9,000 points. So currently, if you can see that market is already moving downward, and there are possibilities that market will give you a bit correction. If you can see here, the 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart already gives you the correction for 1 hour, but 1 hour chart is not good for trade when you want to trade with the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not the trade that you can use the 1 hour chart. You can use the 5 hour chart or 4 hour chart, will give you a clear hint what is going to happen, what will going to happen. So you see the correction is start from 5 hours. Here is 1 hour, but after that 1 hour market is giving you a little drop, and now it's going up, but the 5 hour chart will give you the more clear picture. So wait for the 5 hour candle to finish, or more than 4 hours to finish. Then there are, if you can see the again the drop like after 4 to 5 hours, if you can see the red candle again, there are good chance you can open the sell deal. There are a very good chances that market will really move downward more, and if it's break 50,000, as I mentioned, that might be market is reaching to 44,000. So currently why it's happening, I will share with you a few points. China already start restricting the Bitcoin using for their local environment. China local market, they are not advising anyone to trade with the Bitcoin anymore. All the international businessmen who had big businesses around the world, from the people who was from China, they also don't want to trade anymore, because the restriction they had, because they were before they were using Bitcoin, they are bringing Bitcoin online, because it's online, you can transfer anywhere, and in China start restricting it because they want to control the economy as well. Though whenever the US knows that things, and US SEC also decided that they will not allow bankers to give loans using Bitcoin. So it was a big news for banks. So what banks are doing right now, banks are keep pulling out their investment from Bitcoin, and might be more banks will do that, and you will see a huge drop. That's why I'm talking about the candles, and that's why I'm talking about what happened before on April. You can check on March and April when market went down, because that time also China made some decisions such ways temporary market rose, and after that what happened when they start implementing in different cities, because they start implementing the restriction by cities on that time, and now they also passed a law already in China. There is already law that they are not allowed to use the cryptocurrency in local market, and when US already know and they restrict the bank, you can not get such information from the big YouTubers or financial analyst or any big channels what you are watching, because mostly people they want that people who invest less than $100,000 they will just lost their money, because all money will lost by the traders like us, who are just a small trader, less than $100,000 investment or $10,000 investment, or even $100 investment. All these people have more people trading Bitcoin, their investment is not even $20,000, even $10,000. So all the hundred of thousand people, their investment is like that, and less than $10,000. So whenever market have such direction, they keep using big YouTubers, they using a bit analysts to have some rumors that market is going up. Rumors are telling you that Bitcoin will reach 500,000 or 200,000 or 100,000 or whatever the price they were giving you online, and they are showing you their trade that they buy this and this and this. They are buying this and this. They are using someone's platform, someone who really owns the different platform, and they will give them the commission when other people lost, their followers lost, because even later when market having some drop and people start losing their amount, these big YouTubers or all the people who are sitting in Bloomberg or any big investment channels or writing blogs and all these things, and giving you a different not clear picture, because whenever people like us lost the amount, all their pocket full of money, and why they are doing it? Because they control the liquidity, and the liquidity provider who always play the market, and they earn the money from the people, especially from the small investors, especially from small investor lose their money, and the big investors always win, because they know what the liquidity provider and all other financial markets are doing, because they know the information before us, and we are just trading blindly. So remember, from last 3 weeks I'm keep talking about the drop. Mostly people, they don't listen to me, because sometimes I try to join different channels, try to discuss with different people, everyone talking about, oh, Bitcoin is going up and up and up, and they just don't try to understand what I'm talking. Hope you guys understand. You try to share this video, you can discuss with anyone. Try to look at the local newspaper in China and local newspaper in US, and also some the European Union also having some summit near future, and possible that Bitcoin will be having some issue in Europe as well, and especially bank don't want to invest in Bitcoin, and if that bank pull their hands from Bitcoin, then Bitcoin future is not really good near future. Maybe 1 month, 2 months, might be later they will do something again, and market will go up again. But this 1-2 months is crucial, and the point I share with you, 59,000, 60,000 is the crucial stage. But now this 59 to 61 is not really more, but 57,800, and if market 500 candle market is finished, and if you will see the drop, there is a good chance to have a good profit again. If you have any question, just let me know, but especially remember that buy is not really good option here. So always remember, market will give some correction, market will move up, might be 57,800. okay, 57,800 is the crucial stage, from 57,800 till 59,000. But also remember, if 57,800 will not, if it not able to breach, and if it stay less than 56,300, then it is also good chance that you can wait a little bit and you can start selling Bitcoin again. So here 44,000 is 54,600 again is a good point. Wait for the correction always, because currently now you can see have a start correctioning of for 5 hours. If you can see a daily chart is still not have any correction. Weekly chart, if you can see, there is no correction. But if you want to trade and want to have some profit, just wait for the 5 hour candle finish, then you can open sell trade. If you can see the red line. A little red line is enough to open sell trade after 5 hours. But a long-term strategy, I already explained what is going to happen. Try to dig the news from US, China, and Europe. You will know the reality what is going on with the Bitcoin. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and share these videos with your friends. Try to discuss what I'm talking and try to understand what is going on with the Bitcoin. Thank you very much.